Hi, my name is Pradeep Soundarajan, and I am really excited to show you a couple of new things that we've added to the Bugasura app. And this is our latest version, and I thought I'll give you a quick run if user experience, and it gives an explanation that you can save a lot of time. And this is a claim, so let's put the claim to test. Let's get started. I'm going to use one of my existing Gmail accounts, and I have these and it's logging in, and I've since I've already tested a couple of apps, it's already over there, so you can test both native apps and mobile web. And I'm going to pick up one of those apps and start testing, and it says when the testing, you'll ask you for certain permissions so that we can capture screenshot and we can create the test reports that you're looking for. So I'm just doing that, and it's just a minute. It's just less than a minute, and here we are. I already have a report created, otherwise you can add to the report, and the app starts loading, and I say, okay, let's say I sell my car. Can I give a search? Now here's the cool thing, right? So a lot of testers do things like ASDF, GF, and things like that for the test data, and some random numbers and random text, which doesn't usually go well. You want to do what the users do. So based on the context of the test data, we have a lot of options. So for instance, if you're testing payment related stuff, you can say, I want to test for a Visa card. I want to test, or you could say, I want to test numbers. There's a variety of numbers that you could use based on the tests that you want to run. Or assume you want to run some security tests at a very high level. You want some SQL injection or a JavaScript injection. You get those things up and running to see if your app is handling. You could run through your tests, which could be complex scenarios for you to find some bugs. So assume I found a bug over here and I want to report it. It becomes very simple. It captures the last screenshot as well and says, not supposed to be highlighted in red. Boom, that's done. So we have reported a bug, and all of what the steps that we did is captured, and it is converted to a video. So when you end the session, your report is generated. You can either choose to push to Jira, or you can view the report within the Bugasura app. And this is how it comes up. I've already run some tests already, so it captures my device. I've run it on a Google Pixel 2 XL, Android 10, manufacturer is Google, and it'll show up all the networks in which I've run. I've run it on a normal condition, and it shows, here's the test that we did, and it's showing a video of all things that I clicked, all things that I typed, and it shows where did I stop my test. Now, no testers need to write steps to reproduce. No testers need to type anything, because all the test data that they want can also come. And the next thing that we are adding is you can upload your own test data as well. Isn't this cool? Look, I've been able to test. I've been able to provide a lot of input data. I've been able to navigate the app in a very quick way, and do some test data coverage. I did try out some SQL injection and JavaScript injection. I was able to report this bug, and this bug is pushed, and that's it. Now I can go and continue and do more tests instead of struggling of taking screenshot and sending it over and writing the bug report over some other place and then coming back and getting distracted with a whole lot of things. That's the power that we are trying to build into Bugasura, so that testers can have fun testing the apps, can improve the test coverage, and also save a lot of time. And there's something more for you to discover. This app we are able to bring to you into this shape because of a bunch of contributors. So there have been a lot of contributors to this, and there has been people who have also inspired us to build this. And thanks to Goiko for the test data inspiration. Thanks to Ben Simo. So for instance, I'm going to show you this. So if you were to pass a test, it'll ask you sample 1, and it would say, are you sure this is a test pass. So did you fail to notice a bug? And that inspiration came from Ben Simo, where Ben Simo, of course, for every test he would ask, is there a problem over here? So that's kind of stuff. And through this app, you'll also have a lot of codes, a lot of testing codes. We are bringing in a lot of testing tips as well. So it's going to be fun for those who are going to continue to use this. And you can also contribute. And I'm looking forward to building this in collaboration with all the passionate testers out there. Thank you. And I look forward to the next demo where I will show you some other cool stuff that we are adding. Bye.